create. So I have a chuck steak. It's about 3/4 of a pound, very thin, and I'm going to show you how to elevate the flavor of such a thin steak. You don't need a lot. And this one is like what we call in Puerto Rico, steak encebollado. It's going to be with onions, okay? And I'm going to have a mix of garlic and butter. I call it my garlic paste. Link in the description how to prepare that because you can keep this for a long time in the refrigerator and use it as needed, okay? Very simple. Some salt. Pepper. Mix it up. And do the same on the other side, okay? Now, you can leave it outside. Make sure it's at room temperature, okay? Leave it out for about 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Absorbing the salt, releasing the juice. Absorbing the juices with the salt and releasing it. That's what you do. Also, another name is filete encebollado or steak encebollado. Encebollado means the onions. The process adding the onions. Okay? So I'm going to use a cast iron. Actually, this is a Wagner ware. Wagner ware. Almost 100 years old, but you can use anything. I like this one. So I'm preheating. I'm going to use some extra virgin olive oil. Move it around. And I'm going to add this baby. On this skillet, okay? It's a very thin steak, so it's not going to take a long time. So let it go for a couple minutes to one side first and take it from there. 2, maybe 3 minutes later, let me flip this baby. And I'm going to cook the other side. Going to add some of my paste. My garlic paste. This garlic paste has some butter on it. So let me put it there too. I like to add rosemary too. Get those aromatics. And I'm going to bath this in. You can do it with butter or with the garlic paste. Bath it up, put some of those juices. Couple of minutes. 2 to 3 minutes, okay? Take it out and let it rest, okay? Add more of the paste. What you're going to do now, bring your onions and saute those onions, okay? Get some juices from the side. And saute them, okay? It's pretty simple. This is about half a large onion, but you can use an entire onion if you want to. Once you have them sauteed to your liking, maybe 2 or 3 minutes, even 4. Just remove them. And you're done with the saute. In essence, what you're doing is creating a bed with the onions. And you're going to put the steak, which is currently resting, for a few minutes, about 5 minutes. You're going to put the steak here on top, okay?